Setting up Wordly at an event is fast and easy. It only takes a few minutes and doesn't require any special equipment. Step 1. Connect a speaker cable into the audio mixer. Step 2. Connect an audio interface adapter to the speaker cable. In this example, we're using an iRig 2. Step 3. Connect the adapter to an internet-connected device. In this example, we're using a laptop. Step 4. Access the Wordly meeting shortcut. We recommend using the Google Chrome browser. Step 5. Enter or confirm the unique session ID and passcode. Step 6. Press join and your session is ready to go. We recommend you conduct a sound check before starting. To do this, speak a few sentences into the microphone. As you can see on the screen, the captions are being transcribed in real time. You are now ready to start your event.